Eating edible Play-Doh in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Daisy. And this is my cousin, Smelly Ellie. I'm not smelly. I just did it because it rhymed.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so today we are going to make edible Play-Doh. I don't know if this will taste good or not. What do you think, Sky? She wants me to open my mouth and eat it.
All right, let's go over the ingredient list.
2 cups of hot water,
2.5 cups of flour,
half a cup of salt,
1 tablespoon of cream of tartar,
and 2 packages of KOOL AID.
And 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil.
Now, let's get started. Okay, now let's put in all the dry stuff, which is the tartar stuff, whatever.
And the salt.
Then
And the KOOL AID.
Yeah.
I'll do 1 pack and you do 1.
It recommends using rubber gloves, but that's for sissies. We cousins. Whoa.
Oh, it smells good.
No kidding.
Whoa,
It's
like
great. It's
This
purplish.
isn't even coming out.
Curse you, bag. But thank you, bag at the same time. Now let's mix it.
Okay. Okay. Whoa.
It's a mix between salt and flour.
Smells good.
Sky, don't get into this.
She's thinking about it.
Next step is to mix in the oil with the spoon. Veggie oil.
This is... That scared me.
Come on, stop being a sissy. Get your hands out, it's not wet anymore. Oh,
No.
Promise, you
All
promised.
right, time to come out, Sky. Don't bite me, don't bite me.
He's scared of the bird.
It's raining flour.
Now let's add the water. I'm gonna try to use this thingy.
Bubbles. Whoa, it's purple.
It's purple.
White
Whoa.
turning into purple. Magic.
That's magic. One more and then, ow. That hurts.
Fast way. Whoa, that's hot.
Since it's hot, you gotta use the spoons. It's so cool how it just turns purple. Like, wow, I was amazed. I didn't
Now
expect
that, my
that.
cousin, is a magic trick. You need to check the corners for more flour.
There are no corners. This is a
No.
circle.
I mean,
Edges.
yeah.
No, my spot. Mine. On guard. Now we're just cleaning off each other's spoons. Yeah.
Oh, that feels so warm.
Yeah. Whoa, it's actually hot at the bottom. Man, I wish I had some flour. What?
How did we do that?
I don't know. I'm a magic genie.
No, I am a magic genie.
No, I am.
I am.
No, I am.
We both are.
Yay! The flour on, put the flour on. Now to dump it.
Oh!
Maybe we should that because it's almost water.
This is like sticky water.
Yeah. Can you tell this is our first time making it? We're saying a lot of things at the same time. It's starting to get creepy. Eating edible Play-Doh in 3, 2, 1. grape flavor helped. Maybe the Play-Doh is edible, but that doesn't mean it tastes good. It's way too salty.
Very salty. That was.
Why do we
really
even
salty.
add salt in this? To make kids not want to eat it? Okay, we'd like to thank Ellie the Smelly. I didn't say you were stinky. Just remember.
Yep, I remember.
That. It was really fun. We like how soft and nice and not good this is. But the
Not
grape
yummy.
flavor didn't help at all. But it helped it smell good.
Kind of.
Yeah, sort of.
Sort
The
of.
vegetable oil and all the other stuff
Yeah.
kind of
Made it
ruins it.
smell.
Let's call it our brothers and see how they like it. Big
Hello. No, I'm not getting a big piece. Not that big.
Eat it. Eat
Alright.
piece. Eat it.
At least it's not stir-strumming. Alright, 3,
Eat
2, 1. Way too salty.
You're starting.
Are you gonna swallow it?
Just did.
He's nearly crying.
Oh, yes.
Oh, your eyes are starting to tear up. Thank you guys for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe and thumbs up. And bye.